So this week's video is kind of a different format. My buddy's mother was in a bit of a pickle. Her rear wiper wasn't touching the glass anymore, and she said that her front nozzles weren't spraying at the regular pressure, like they were kind of weak. So I said I'd check it out. And these rear wiper arms are just so cheap and easy to replace that instead of trying to fix the old one and like get some sandpaper in between, I just bought her a new one that was like $15. And then a whole new front kit for the front washers nozzles was like another 20. So we're just going to replace her rear wiper here. And this is in real time because this is such a quick and easy job. Anyone can do it. It's a 10mm nut that you pull off. Gently pry and wiggle that rear wiper off. And then you can put the new one on and tighten it down. Like, it's dead simple. So anyone can do that. And then we are going to fix the front hose, so we'll get there soon. I'm also just putting a little bit of copper anti-seize. It's what I've got in my tickle trunk, but I just wanted to put a little bit of this on to stop any corrosion, because I noticed the old one had a bit of corrosion on it. So if I have to do this again, I'll thank myself later. So our next issue was, again, the spray from her front nozzles was pretty weak, and when I sprayed it, I noticed some washer fluid was coming out from under this carpeted area. So there's like 8 clips that hold this in, or 6 clips, sorry, and then there's 2 prongs at the back that hold the carpeted up. So I'm just removing these clips. They're just body push clips, so I'm using the clip removal tool to pop all these off and expose the washer hose. So once we've got it exposed, you can just pry the tabs on these front nozzles to get them out. I wasn't sure where it was leaking, so I just wanted to expose them and see what I could see. But that one looked to be fine, and as you can see, it's spraying, I thought, out of a fitting, but I didn't diagnose it deep enough. It was actually a hole that a mouse had chewed in the line. So I'm replacing the fittings and replacing the damaged section of line, and the kit I got comes with new line and a bunch of new fittings, so I'm just plumbing it in rather than rerunning the whole line. All these are just push to connect barb fittings. It's nothing crazy and there's not a lot of pressure. So that's it. I'm just going to cut them out and replumb them in. My channel has been growing recently, so please give a like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be notified when new videos come out. This was my fail, as I realized, crap, it's still leaking. That's not right. And I found and discovered that it was a mouse had chewed a hole into the line. I don't think it was rubbing on anything because I had found a little mouse nest in that carpet. So I'm just going to take it off, cut out the bad section, get a tiny piece of new line, another barb, and replumb it for the last time. So now that that is all done, I'm going to put the carpet back up. It's spraying nicely, and it's nice to have a job done for my buddy's mom. So thanks for watching. If you're interested, leave a like or a comment on what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next week. bye.